In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your YouTube recommendations. So if you have been receiving recommendations that you no longer need because your preferences have changed or someone had used your account to watch their favorite videos, you can go ahead and reset this by clearing history. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Now to do this, go ahead and log into YouTube with your account. And then once you are in your account, go ahead and look for this option called history. Now, if you click on history, on the far right, you should see we have options to clear all watch history, to pause watch history, as well as to manage all history. Go ahead and choose the last option, manage all history, and this will take you to this history page where you can now manage them as you wish. Now down below you can see your previous watch histories. This determines your recommendations that you normally receive or you are receiving currently. To change this or to reset this, go ahead and click on delete, and this will go ahead and give you option to delete either for today or a custom range, as well as you can delete for all time. To delete for the all time, you can go ahead and do so here by deleting for the whole term. Or if you just want to delete for the period that you no longer want that history, you can go ahead and delete according to the date, after and before, and then click next to complete your reset. So for my case, I'll just go ahead and click on delete all time, and then I'll go ahead and confirm by clicking on delete, and now you can see deletion complete. From now henceforth, if I go back to my YouTube and refresh it, I'll have to start watching videos afresh, and this will build up my history. For instance, if I'm interested in Formula 1, I'll get now recommendations. The more I start watching, the more I create new history depending on my preferences and likes. So that's how you can reset your YouTube watch history on YouTube. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.